Okay, let's resize him real quick. What the? Bro, what is happening over here? What? How do you flip it? Wait a second. What is that? Is that a timer? Versus Ibis Paint. Wow, this looks like the exact same as their mobile version. It's like you're actually on your phone. I mean, literally, I can't even use my freaking keyboard. Yeah, so apparently they don't have keyboard shortcuts. Just undo and rotate and stuff. Wait a second. What is that? Is that a timer? A 1R timer? Are you kidding me? So like, is this gonna self-destruct when the timer finishes? Okay, challenge accepted. Time to speed run this baby. Yeah, so the timer is nerfing me real bad. I suddenly forgot how to draw. Okay, perfect. This is gonna be easy peasy. I don't know about y'all, but I am not feeling these brushes. Listen. Our review so far, the feel and pen pressure is great. Better than expected. Ooh, wait. Online store? Oh yeah, I actually never went there before. I'm gonna check it out. Time to go shopping. Blah, blah, blah. Boring. What happens if I search myself though? Smexy. I'm trying to find a Kooleen like brush, but they don't really have that. Okay, here's one I kind of like. Seems legit. Let's download it real quick. Import complete. I truly don't understand how this online thing works. If it's free and I like it, I just press install. Anyway, so if you want to color fast, simply click special. You make me feel special. And click lasso fill. And Shazam. Very satisfying. Me thinks. Oh crap, 40 minutes left. I really got no time to lose, okay? Let's airbrush her skin. Yeah, she got that sunburned riz. First thing we gotta do is yassify the eye. Not bad. You can really see the difference between rendered and not rendered. Bro, what are these cavities? I really gotta fill that in. Let's fill it in real quick. Just copy and paste, baby. So, since the bangs look like absolute crap, you guys already know what's next. We make her bald. I don't know why I use the airbrush. It just makes her look more bald. She looks like Berry Chan. I'm sorry guys, this is the best I could do under time pressure. Now, for the horns, you just want to give a little bit of shine like this. Very nice. Let's add a red background. Alright. I don't quite know what happened with her face. It's like she used the wrong shade of foundation, but what do you think? Now this is what I love about Ibis Paint. They got the automatic time-lapse, baby. Okay, verdict, 6.9 out of 10. Yeah, the timer was throwing me off. They really wanted people to buy the paid version for real. But come on guys, they gotta get their bag somehow, okay? And it's a one-time payment, so if you're used to drawing on mobile and you're transitioning to PC, this is probably a good way to start. So yeah, next. Okay, Krita. I have very high expectations for this because all the broke people have been highly recommending it. So let's give it a try. Okay, so this next part is special because I will be drawing Luocha. Daddy, listen, this guy is a new limited character in Honkai Star Rail, which is our sponsor for today. Guys, I've been playing this game for months now and I still haven't pulled a single man just like in real life. Now, Honkai Star Rail is a space fantasy RPG by Hoyoverse. That's right, the same company behind Genshin Impact. So you're like in space and you're trailblazer. That's cool and all, but have you seen the characters on here? Absolute mommies and daddies. We have 20 plus diverse characters. Bro, I need him so bad. Like, it's a semi-open world, so you're free to explore. Plus, it's turn-based, meaning it's very easy to get started. This also makes it very fun to play on mobile. Now, we got a new character, Luocha. This guy is a 5-star character who is a healer, and he's apparently constantly calm and collected, forever unfathomable. But anyway, he's hot. Right now, I'm not even touching my mouse. It's on auto battle, which is my favorite feature because I'm lazy. Now, it's free to play and it's available on mobile and PC. Guys, if you use this code on the screen, you will get an extra 50 Stellar J. So download Honkai Star Rail now. Click the link in the description below. Alright, now on to Krita. I want to have like a floating window reference of Luocha. Okay, let's resize him real quick. What the? Okay, well that's better. What happens if I right click? Oh, dang, that looks so boomer. We got this Wheel of Fortune right here. What is this, the 1980s? So far, Krita has been very confusing, so I have no choice but to watch a YouTube video. And since I have ADHD, I'm just alright. So according to the video, you can actually rearrange the panels like this. Interesting. Ooh, and you can change the color wheel thingy. That's way better. And then when you press shift like this and move your brush sideways, it's gonna change sizes. Wow, very convenient. Here's the deal, okay? I have been spending the last couple minutes trying to draw and it feels like crap because there isn't any pen pressure. Pen pressure is like when the pen has pressure, okay? Okay, it might be just a me problem, but but I've already restarted and all. It doesn't work. This is what I came up with after 1 hour. Literally looks like dog crap, okay? I'm gonna fix this on Clip Studio. So while we're at it, here is our verdict. Krita is a 4.20 out of 10. They are basically Photoshop that is pretending to not be Photoshop. The shortcut settings were way different, and I know that you can change that, but I'm stupid, okay? Also, my experience would have been better if there was pen pressure, but on a serious note, there's definitely a lot of potential. It's just not very beginner friendly, okay? It's not recommended for stupid people like me. Next we have Fire Alpaca. Bro, why does the website look like a scam? Wait, what is this? Steam dark mode. Wait a second. What? You have to pay for dark mode? That's kind of racist, bro. Most helpful reviews. You spent $30 for dark mode. Yes. Chad face. Not gonna lie, I would too. And you know what? It's fair. They gotta get their bread somehow. Okay, so I've already installed it. First impressions, okay? It doesn't look too bad. The brushes are pretty darn basic, but it's alright. It's good. We have the outline brush. That's cool. Ooh, and they even got the Gucci brush. What? They have a reference tab? Import from clipboard. Very nice. Wait, you can actually drag it here? Ooh, 10 out of 10. Okay, let's just draw this real quick. Bro, why does she look like a Chad? I don't know about y'all, but I love these brushes. Also, the only thing I don't like about the controls is that the airbrush is part of the brush tool, which means that you can't set a separate shortcut key. Basically, it sucks. So let's color her real quick. I'm using the lasso fill tool. Very nice. Okay, she looks very anemic, so just gonna add some color. You want to make the iris softer by using an airbrush, and also the juicy lips. Okay, let's flip her real quick. What the heck? Bro, what is happening over here? What? How do you flip it? Okay, let's just not flip it. Okay, that kind of sucks. Bro, she got the emo hipster hair. Bro, what are these brushes? Fire Alpaca. Fire Alpaca 2. Fire Alpaca 3. Let's try it out. Ooh, very nice. Here's another one. Ooh, 11 out of 10. Okay, so I kind of just stopped because I was too lazy. Now, this took like 15 minutes to draw. So anyway, I literally had to liquify on Clip Studio Paint because they had no liquify, and I just basically made the eyes smaller, like this. Anyway, my thoughts on Fire Alpaca. I liked it. Verdict. I never tried Fire Alpaca for years, even though I've already heard it for years, because I thought it would just be useless. Because look at that. Does that look very useful to you? But it was actually, mwah, chef's kiss. Y'all see the difference between using a comfortable drawing app and not? So lastly, we have Medibang Paint. Oh my gosh, finally. We finally have dark mode. It doesn't look boomer anymore. Okay, that automatically gives it plus 10 points, bro. Plus, these brushes are low-key pretty cool. Anyway, okay, so apparently they don't have liquify, but look what I found. Mesh transformation. So watch this. Let's say you have a very seductive face, but you want to change it. You want to make some tweaks. So all you gotta do is go here and then press mesh transformation right here. And you can basically just move it like so. That is amazing, bro. And they have time lapse too. Anyway, I basically just drew my character. One thing about Medibang, it is literally just the same as Fire Alpaca. Like the entire interface, the only difference is that it's just dark, but it's so suspiciously similar. It's better though. So time to color the drawing. Basically just gonna use the lasso tool and fill it up. I'm gonna use a blending mode for once. So I'm gonna use multiply mode to create that shadow effect. Very bonita. So I'm just gonna create more shadows across the drawing. And then let's just airbrush the edges red, like so. See that? Very nice effects. Just gonna add highlights so he doesn't look dead inside. Okay, so I basically just painted over. The thing about drawing programs is that you really only have to switch between the brush and the eraser, and you will get used to it in no time. Lastly, let's just add a soft light. Awesome. Okay, so it recorded the time lapse, luckily. So let's look at it real quick. Very, very nice. Okay, verdict. This is a solid 8 out of 10. The best one so far. I don't really know how it's free actually. It's literally Fire Alpaca but with dark mode and ultimately more features, okay? So let's rank the 4 of them. Number 3 is Krita. I have personal beef against Krita. I've actually tried it a long time ago. Didn't like it and I still don't like it till now. I'm sorry. Number 2, honestly, Ibis Paint and Fire Alpaca are 50-50 because Ibis Paint has a lot of good features and is better overall, but there is a 1 hour limit. So now, number 1, Medibang Paint Pro. Obviously, Medibang Paint Pro is on top. It's pretty cool actually. I never knew it was that good. Anyway, thank you Hoyoverse for sponsoring this video. Hope y'all like this vid. Watch this next and I'll see you there. Stay cool.